Here we are back again at Plumpton station level crossing in East Sussex with AB trains. That barrier bangs. Right, time is 13:18 on Friday the 7th of February 2025. And this is for your slightly delayed 1371 Foxtrot 26 Southern service from London Victoria to Eastbourne. I better hope that that hotspot window on my iPad didn't cause the video to be corrupt. It was asking me if I wanted to join the hotspot on my iPhone, so I declined it. Well, just in case, just to be on the safe side of things, the time now is 13:19 on Friday the 7th of February 2025. Thought I'd do some crossings in East Sussex for you, because I'm here to see my granddad tomorrow, so thought I'd make the best of this. Not to mention I'm also staying in East Sussex for about a couple of days. Right, here we go. We've got 377-106, 377-106 and 377-210 to Eastbourne and up they go. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.